Our planet is in trouble. The climate is changing. This is a big problem. We need to understand this problem. This essay will help. We will meet 4 villains. They represent threats to our planet. They are Magnus Smog, Plastica, Dr. Deforesto, and Ignis Rex. These villains are not real people, but they represent real dangers. They show us what happens when we pollute, waste, and destroy. We will learn about their powers. We will see how they hurt our planet. This will help us understand the climate crisis. Magnus Smog was once a factory worker. He loved machines. He loved progress. But he didn't understand the cost. His factory polluted the air. Smog filled the sky. It made people sick. Magnus didn't care. He wanted more factories, more production, more smog. Magnus gained a strange power. He could control the smog. He used it to attack people. He choked cities with pollution. He became Magnus Smog the Polluter. He represents the danger of air pollution. It harms our health and our planet. Plastica was once an inventor. She created amazing things, but her inventions were made of plastic. She didn't think about the waste. Plastic piled up, it filled the oceans, it choked the animals. Plastica's plastic waste gave her strange powers. She could control plastic. She built a throne of trash. She became Plastica, the queen of waste. She shows us the danger of plastic pollution. It is harming our oceans and our wildlife. Dr. Deforesto was once a scientist. He studied plants, he loved trees, but he became obsessed with progress. He thought cities were more important. He cut down forests. He built roads and factories. He destroyed the homes of animals. Dr. Deforesto built machines. These machines cut down trees faster. He became Dr. Deforesto, the forest destroyer. He represents the danger of deforestation. It is destroying our forests and hurting our planet. Ignis Rex was once a businessman. He sold fossil fuels. He made a lot of money, but he didn't think about the consequences. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere. This causes the planet to warm. Ignis Rex gained power from the heat. He controlled the weather. He brought heat waves and droughts. He became Ignis Rex, the heat bringer. He represents the danger of climate change. It is causing extreme weather events. This is hurting people and the planet. Section 6, Fighting for Our Future. We have met 4 villains. They represent real threats to our planet. These threats are serious, but we can fight back. We can make a difference. We can choose to protect our planet. We need to reduce pollution. We need to use less plastic. We need to protect our forests. We need to stop using fossil fuels. These are big challenges, but we can overcome them. By working together, we can create a better future.
Check, check. Check 1, check 2, check, check.
Section 7. Understanding the villains. These villains are not real people, but they represent real dangers. They help us understand complex issues. Pollution, waste, deforestation, and climate change are big problems. They can feel overwhelming. By giving these problems a face, we can connect with them. We can understand the causes. We can see the consequences. This helps us take action. Section 8. Our role in the story. We are all part of this story. We can choose to be heroes. We can make small changes in our lives. These small changes can make a big difference. We can reduce our carbon footprint. We can use less energy. We can choose sustainable products. We can support organizations fighting for our planet. Every action counts. Section 9, a call to action. The time to act is now. Our planet needs our help. We must fight against these villains. We must protect our home. Let's work together. Let's create a healthier and more sustainable future for all. This is our planet. This is our responsibility. This is our call to action. Let's answer it.